Hey friends, we are out here in Springtown today. We have an 80-year-old disabled veteran and his wife who live in this house, and they just need some help with some various things around the house, mostly related to water damage. One main big project we need done is this front porch. We really need a ramp here off this porch, and quite a bit of this is rotting and in pretty poor shape. This way and I'll show you. If you look over here, I believe there used to be a second set of stairs here. He just wants this buttoned up and that handrail fixed. This one can just be removed. But if you look up under here, I don't know if you can tell, but the support beam is about 3 inches off the ground there. I don't know if the entire deck would need to be replaced, but definitely some repair work will need to be done. I'll take you inside the house. There's quite a bit of water damage on this west facing side of the house. I'm told that once upon a time there was a hailstorm that blew out all of the windows on the west side of the house and let a ton of water in that flooded the house, and the water damage was never repaired. They just replaced the windows. So in every window on this side of the house you can see this same pattern of just extensive water damage all the way around. Same here, you can see on the floor there's quite a bit of damage. 2 double windows and 3 single windows that all have the same water damage around them. Over here there's what looks like a patch was cut out of the wall, but it was never repaired, and then there does seem to be some mold, again I'm sure from that water damage. That needs to be repaired. He did mention his fireplace, which they would love to be a heat source, but it's currently pretty cracked, so they haven't been able to use it. Everywhere you see these caulk lines is where the firebox is either cracked or separating. Here in one of the bedrooms, they had a water leak from the washing machine, which is just on the other side of this wall here. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well in the video, but this spot right here, I mean, I really feel if I push too hard, I'd just punch my foot right through it. It's very, very soft. You can see how high the water was in here at one point. In this bedroom, our homeowner's done his best to repair. There was 2 panels on this wall here that were rotten and full of mold, and he's replaced the sheetrock there. He's done a good job of getting this room ready for texture paint and trim next. But at 80 years old, he's doing the best he can, so he's just trying to get this room here finished and trying to tackle the rest of the projects on around the house. So he could sure use some help. Here in their bedroom, under the window, you can see quite a bit of water damage there. Here in the bathroom, there's another crack in the ceiling, and you can see water damage coming from this pretty window here. Has been leaking over the tub pretty badly. This is in the kitchen. The cabinet next to the fridge here is rotted at the bottom. There was some standing water. They said about 1 inch of water at one point in time.
All of the
Now.
No.
Huh? Yeah, the hinge on this outside door is broken, and you can see the door frame has got some rot as well. This door really just needs to be replaced.
Down on the bottom.
Yeah. This back deck here certainly has some soft spots in it, but the real major concern is it's separating from the house. Let's see if I can wiggle this. There's nothing holding it to the house anymore. And
These are in pretty good shape because
another concern here is just the foundation of the deck. It's on cinder blocks. As you can see, they're leaning. That one's got some shims in it that don't even appear to be touching. They all seem to be leaning every which direction. There's some siding damage here just outside that door, and there's some more around this other side of the house. Rot here, some siding boards that'll need to be replaced. All right, and that's it. If you know anyone that can help an 80-year-old veteran couple in Springtown with the repairs you see here in the video, please comment below. And thank you again to the best community around.